Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again. What I am going to do in today's video, I am going to show you how to make $30 an hour online. In this video, it's basically for beginners. Following this very simple method, you can make up $30 an hour online from home with transcription jobs. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification right now. And don't forget to make a like and make a comment below. I come out with videos daily where I will show you how to find a job online, how to make money online, how to start a business online, or how to get a job online, how to make money online through apps. Now let's get right into the video. I'm gonna show you in today's video how to make $30 an hour online. I am going to show you a website that pay you $30 an hour for beginners by doing simple transcription jobs online. This site will pay you a lot of money, and I am going to show you a couple of tricks to help you working on this site and how you can become an excellent. So make sure you watch the entire video so you can earn up to $30 per hour on this site. And here, but there are people make a lot more than that. So as you can see, this is a site. So as you can see, this site that you will start on, this site is called Writer Access, and here you can go to get online writing jobs. It's been around for a very long time. It's a really cool site. I really like this site. It's got a lot of online transcription jobs, so I definitely recommend that you check this site out. Very good. It's very simple to join and simple to use. It's got a variety of work. It's got a lot of transcription jobs. They have got over 25,000 plus members, and as you can see here, they have got articles, blog posts, social posts, copywriting, that they do all different types of writing. And here, from what you actually do, you can earn a lot of money. I will show you how much these guys pay. A lot of money you can earn here. So if you go onto the site, what you need to do is you need to scroll down to the bottom, okay, and then after that you need to click pay rates. It will take you through to the site. You can see you can get paid over $30 per hour here on the site, which is not bad. And like I said, it's really cool site to start earning online. And of course, it depends on the task that you actually undertake. This kind of money you need to be pretty good to start moving up to earning money, and I will help you to be good on typing in the end of the video and start making some really good money. In transcription works, there is a lot of money to be made. It's easy and simple to earn money here, especially with jobs online through transcription. And per article, you are gonna make $700 at least. It's not too difficult to get to that stage. So that's the end, and the site is called Writer Access. You can come here and work on the site and earn money online. That's the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.